सो हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ मी सत्यांश शर्मा। आई होप आपका जेई एडवांस 2021 काफ़ी अच्छा गया होगा। और मैं आज आपको वीडियो में बताने वाला हूँ कि जो जेई एडवांस में स्क्रिबल पैड मिलते हैं क्या वो सफिशिएंट होते हैं, किस फॉर्मेट में हमें आंसर करना चाहिए, ये सब मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ। और ये जो स्क्रिबल पैड्स हैं ये मेरे खुद के हैं। मैंने जो जेई एडवांस पेपर 1 पेपर 2 की दिया था 2021 का, तो यहाँ पे मैंने केमिस्ट्री से स्टार्ट किया था पेपर, और मे भी किसी ने फिज़िक्स से स्टार्ट किया हो, बट मैथ्स से तो मुझे नहीं लगता किसी ने स्टार्ट किया होगा। यहाँ मैंने आंसर 1 लिखा और मैंने फिर स्पेस छोड़ दिया, क्योंकि आंसर 1 मेरे को नहीं आया था उस टाइम। तो मैंने यहाँ पे स्पेस छोड़ दिया कि अगर बाद में आता है तो मैं उसको यहीं पे अटैम्प्ट करूँगा, मेरे को और पेज वेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है यहाँ पर। फिर यहाँ मैंने आंसर 2 लिखा, आंसर 2 मेरा हो गया था। फिर यहाँ पर पीछे गए, आंसर 3, आंसर 4। क्वेश्चन स्टेम थे तो 2 क्वेश्चंस एक साथ थे, तो मैंने एज अ कॉम्प्रिहेंशन उन दोनों को साथ में लिख लिया था। और यहाँ पे नोट करने वाली बात एक और है कि मैंने पहले इजी क्वेश्चंस किए थे तीनों सब्जेक्ट में से फर्स्ट राउंड में। फर्स्ट राउंड इन द सेंस आई स्पेंड 1 hour 30 minutes ऑन ऑल द 3 subjects एंड टुक आउट ईजी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम देम। सो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन स्टेम आंसर नंबर 5, आई लेफ्ट आंसर नंबर 6, आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू डू इट. Then I came to section 4, answer number 1. And then after doing all easy questions from chemistry, I jumped to physics. I did first of all physics, because physics in paper 1 was quite easy, I could say. Not that easy, it was lengthy with some calculation, but if you compare with previous year paper, then it was comparatively easy. See, you can see these questions. I hope these answers are correct. I don't have an idea about it, but let's hope for the best. On 15th October 2003, sorry 2021, oh 2003 is my date of birth. Yeah. Now answer number 3, it was of projectile, I think center of mass concept. You must have done it in HCV example. See, that's why we call HCV as one of the best books for JEE. Even if paper comes of moderate level, then you can solve some questions. After physics, so after doing some easy question of physics, I came to maths. Oh, it was so lengthy. I started with integer section because I personally feel that integers are a bit easy. So I went to question number 3. It looks very easy. You have to calculate the real roots. I think the answer was 4. Anyways, let's see what happens after the result comes. Then came to solution of triangles, quite an easy question. Then this was a bit lengthier question, but it was doable, it was manageable. So I was only searching about easy questions. I didn't focus on moderate and difficult questions in round 1. In round 2, I started doing moderate question. I came to chemistry integer, then I came to physics. I think this question is vernier calipers one. I have done it wrong, I think. Anyways, then came to the a bit difficult questions. It was from EMI, I think. I was not able to solve it. Then came to rotation. This was quite an easy question. Optics. Then this question was from, I think, fluids. Then I again came to maths. I took on again the moderate level questions in round 2. I hardly did any difficult question in any round 1 or round 2. Round 1 I kept for easy questions, and round 2 I kept for moderate questions. I wasn't able to do many difficult questions, right? Those doing difficult questions are the top 500 rankers. So that's it. I didn't fill all the sheets, I think. Yeah, एट फर्स्ट इट वुड फील कि यार ये तो बहुत कम है, शीट्स 40 पेजेस ही होते हैं, छोटे छोटे पेजेस हैं, तो लगेगा कि काफ़ी कम है, बट ऐसा होता नहीं है। देख लो मेरी कितनी शीट्स एम्प्टी रह गई। मतलब जो टॉप रैंकर्स भी होंगे उनकी भी शीट ऑलमोस्ट फिल हो जाएगी, बट उनको कम नहीं पड़ेगी, वो इतना कितना लिखेंगे। सो दैट्स ऑल। इन पेपर 2 आई अगेन स्टार्टेड विथ केमिस्ट्री। ओह द सेवियर। स्टार्टेड विथ ऑर्गेनिक, माई फेवरेट, आई लाइक इट वेरी मच. Then did some questions in paper 2. Chemistry was also of moderate to difficult level with some lengthy calculation, so I left the calculation part. I just solved. See, This was from I think it was mixed with physical and stoichiometric coefficient, oh sorry, organic and stoichiometric coefficient. So I did some part and I left the calculation in the end. Then answer number 3, it was I think of molar conductivity and alpha. I wasn't able to solve it, but I left the space. If I would remember, then I would solve it. Then I came this time. See, what I did was, in the first 5 minutes I saw all the paper, the full paper I mean, and I was able to predict that in paper 2 physics was bit difficult. So after chemistry I came to maths, and calculus was there in the second paper, and it is one of my favorites. So I felt comfortable with maths in the second half. Then I came to physics. I started with integer. As usual, I say some integers are quite easy, so you should always start with integer. I'd never recommend to start with multiple choice questions. This circuit question was easy, right? Thermodynamics question was quite easy. Then I came to the moderate questions of physics, right? This question was from AC, I think. Yeah, let's see. Okay, this question was from dimensional analysis, quite easy. Modern physics, okay. Optics, oh sorry, no, it was from waves, I think. Anyways, then I came to chemistry back. Those physical chemistry questions which required a lot of calculation. This question was from chemical kinetics, then electrochemistry, you know. Then I came back to maths, the tougher questions. Some questions in maths were so lengthy that I wasn't able to solve them, even if you give 1 hour to me. Oh god, it was so lengthy. Oh, the conic section question was even very lengthy. I wasn't able to solve it. Let's see what happens. So that's all. I wasn't able to fill all my sheets of the JEE Advanced Scribble Pad. Like I said in the beginning कि ऐसा लगता है कि सारे sheets fill हो जाएंगे, but ऐसा होता नहीं. टॉपर्स भी सारी sheet fill नहीं कर पाते. So that's all. I hope you like it. Thank you.